HitPaw Edimakor 5.1.0 has just arrived with some of its biggest AI upgrades yet. From smarter AI avatars and better story generation to AI cover creation, color cloning, video enhancement, and even mosaic removal. This update is packed with tools designed to help you create professional videos in less time. In this video, I'll walk you through the most exciting new features and show you how they can improve your editing workflow. First, let's take a look at the upgraded AI avatar feature. In the AI avatar panel, several new generation models have been added, including the new WAN 2.7 model. Compared with traditional talking avatar models that often look static and studio-like.
Welcome to HitPaw Edimakor's channel. Let's have fun today.
Welcome to HitPaw Edimakor's channel. Let's have fun today.
WAN 2.7 creates much more natural and cinematic videos. It delivers expressive gestures, realistic facial expressions, smoother body movements, and more dynamic camera-friendly motion. It's especially well suited for outdoor scenes, vlogs, product showcases, travel videos, social media content, and AI tutorials. Edimakor has also introduced a large collection of new avatar templates. Whether you're creating lifestyle content, podcasts, business presentations, street interviews, or even anime-style videos, you'll find a template that fits your project. With such a wide variety of characters and scenarios, it's much easier to create videos that stand out instead of using the same generic AI avatars everyone else is using. Of course, Edimakor still gives you the freedom to create your own custom digital avatar. Simply click AI Generate, upload a reference image, add a short description, and you can generate a personalized AI character or even a realistic AI model that matches your creative needs. Another useful improvement is voice binding. You can now bind a specific language and voice to each character. Once everything is set up, every time you use that avatar, the voice settings are automatically applied, saving you from selecting them again and again. After choosing an avatar and entering your script, you can now describe the camera movement, emotions, speaking style, character actions, and even background events using prompts. This gives you much greater creative control and makes AI avatar videos feel far more natural and customizable.
Morning routine.
Whether you're creating
Simple,
tutorials,
fast, and
marketing
actually
videos, educational content, or social media posts, it's now much easier to build reusable AI characters while keeping a consistent visual style and voice across projects. AI Story Mode. AI Story Mode gets even better. Story Mode has also received a major upgrade. Edimakor now offers better script understanding, more built-in scenes and props, improved visual consistency between generated clips, and basic subtitle editing. The result is smoother storytelling with much less manual editing. If you regularly create AI short films, animated stories, or social media videos, these improvements can save you a significant amount of time. AI Smart Thumbnail Generator. Edimakor now includes an AI smart thumbnail feature that automatically generates eye-catching video thumbnails. When you're ready to export your project, simply click Boost CTR with AI Thumbnail to start generating thumbnails. You can choose from a variety of popular thumbnail templates or let AI create one based on your video content. It's probably one of the fastest and easiest ways to create high-performing thumbnails for YouTube and other social media platforms. ElevenLabs V3 Text-to-Speech. The text-to-speech feature has also been upgraded with the latest ElevenLabs V3 model. This update brings more natural emotional speech, emotion tag controls, pause controls, and several new children's voices. Simply enter your script and click Smart Emotion. Edimakor will automatically analyze your text and match it with the most suitable speaking emotion. If you're not satisfied with the result, you can always choose a different emotion manually. The update also introduces several new child voices, making it easier to create educational content, animated videos, children's stories, and many other types of projects. Overall, the gene-rated voiceovers sound much more expressive and realistic, making them ideal for narration, storytelling, tutorials, and educational videos. More improvements. And that's not all. Edimakor 5.1 also packs in a number of smaller but very practical upgrades, including AI mosaic removal, AI color clone, more powerful AI video enhancement, smarter AI editing, and plenty of workflow improvements throughout the editor. You'll also find new text animation effects, faster subtitle editing, a more flexible timeline, and various interface and performance optimizations that make everyday editing smoother and more efficient. While these may not be headline features on their own, together they significantly improve the overall editing experience. To wrap up, Edimakor 5.1.0 makes AI video creation faster and smarter than ever. By the way, we're celebrating our second anniversary from July 10 to 31. Grab up to 65% off now. Link in the description. Which feature are you excited about? Let me know below. Like and subscribe for more AI tutorials. Thanks for watching.